Generating keywords is vital to the success of search ads, and Google's Keyword Planner is a free tool for discovering new keywords related to your business. It also estimates the number of searches they will receive and the cost of targeting them. Keyword Planner offers several benefits to advertisers. Firstly, it's a great way of discovering new keywords. The planner suggests keywords related to your product, services, or website. It estimates monthly search volumes, so you get estimates the number of searches for each keyword in the planner. It estimates the average cost of your ad to show for keyword searches. It helps you organize keywords. It helps you understand how keywords fit into different categories related to your brand. Finally, the keywords generated by the planner can be automatically added to campaigns or used to create new campaigns. So let's see how this all works in practice. You can access the Keyword Planner from Tools and Settings and then Keyword Planner. There are two ways of generating keywords from the Keyword Planner. Firstly, you can discover new keywords by entering websites or keywords and it'll build on this information. Or you can get search volumes and forecasts based on keywords you upload. So let's first discover new keywords. You can get key ideas for keywords by entering keywords or website related to your business. Google will then generate keyword ideas related on this information. You should not be too specific or too general. For example, pizza delivery is better than pizza if you are a pizza delivery company. So let's do that. Let's do pizza delivery and we can generate results. So Google has generated a list of items here. So we've got the keyword here. It's got the average monthly searches and how much that's changed in the last 3 months and on year. So the combinational keyword, that will give you an idea of how much it's going to cost. And it'll give you an estimate of the cost here. So we've got the top of page bid low to high. So this one here, pizza delivery, is somewhere between 42p and £1.44. It's generated 411 keywords, and you can broaden the search by adding different keywords. So we can add in other keyword ideas which are related and then get the results for those as well. And we can also add in a website to get even more ideas. So I'm going to add in Papa John's, which is a popular pizza delivery company. And it'll generate more keyword ideas from that. And see, we've now got 772 keyword ideas. We've added more information and got more keyword ideas. On the left-hand side here, we can filter these keywords. So it's got brand or non-brand, so we can see, non-branded terms and branded terms. So we can filter out the branded terms. So it's filtered out about 200 keywords related to brands. We can filter out information of keywords which are related to location and price, and other options here at the bottom. So we can select keywords and we can add them to the keyword plan. So we can add to an existing plan or a new plan. So let's add to just this is a new plan. We can add to an ad group. So if we are creating campaigns, we can add the keyword, we can organize these keywords into ad groups, which then can get used to create campaigns. We can, when we add them to the plan, we can choose the match type. So let's create an ad group called ad group 1. And let's add them to the plan and let's make an exact match. And we're just going to add those keywords to the plan. So then if we look at save keywords here, it saved these keywords to our plan. If we click on forecast, we will get information about how these keywords will perform. At the top here, we can change the bid strategy. By changing the bid strategy, it'll see how it changes the cost and the number of conversions. So currently it's maximize conversions. If we change that to maximize clicks and apply, it reckons we'll get fewer conversions, but we will get more clicks. And we can see that on the keyword level down here, we can change the country and also change the language and the date range. And it's telling you here that your plan at the moment with these settings will get 109 conversions and it'll cost £620 a month on a £20 daily budget. Now, if we could change that to, it's saying here that if we change it to conversions for a £20 daily budget, we'll get about 110. For 100, we'll get 150. So let's put in 150 daily budget. 40. It'll telling us I get 155 conversions on a 140 daily budget. So you can play around with this and see what kind of performance you'll get. If we go to the keyword plan, we can use this information to create a campaign. And if we call the campaign test, let's do pizza test, and then do save. The pizza test was created. Now we can view the campaign and we'll see that if we look in ad groups, there's that group 1 we created, and if we click in group 1, then we'll see the 2 keywords that were added from the plan. This campaign won't be running because there's no ads created in it, so we need to create ads before it'll actually start working. So as you can see, Keyword Planner is a very good way of generating keywords and quickly adding those to campaigns.